I'm going to show you how to roll meatballs for your Tommy Tomatoes simple meatball recipe. So you want to divide your meatball mixture into 4. And then taking one portion, this can now be divided into 5 individual pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter if they're not completely even. Now, to stop the meatball mixture sticking to your hands, you just want to make sure you've got slightly wet hands. And then roll each one with your wet hands into a ball and then pop them into your dish. As your hands get dry, just continue to wet them. And again. And that is how you roll the meatballs.